So this is from chapter 3 of the probability activities packet. And in this section we're going to go from percents to decimals, a real quick kind of reminder of how to do that. So if you have 61% and we want to change that to a decimal, remember that a percent is a number out of 100. This is 61/100ths, and really as you write the decimal, 0.61 61/100ths is all we need to do with that. So you're done. It's a pretty simple process. 89% is 89/100ths, and again when we do our decimal, 89/100ths, tenths, 100ths, two numbers after the decimal place, and we describe it just like that. 7% is 7/100ths. This one's one that commonly mistakes are made because you need to put a 0 then a 7 because it's that 0/10ths and 7/100ths. So we need that extra number, that extra 0 in front of the 7 to show that it's 7/100ths, which is again different from this one, which is 70/100ths, and really can be written just simply as 0.7. Some people put a 0 afterwards, but it's not necessary. That's 7/10ths or 70/100ths. So what do you do when you have a percent that has a decimal in it? This is 568 over 1,000. So tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So if I rewrite that as a decimal, 0.568. So it was really 56 hundredths, but there's another number, so I need to go to the thousandths place. And so I'm changing this from a percent to a decimal really by moving the decimal point over 2 places to the left, wherever it sits. And that would be the case with the next one. If I have 137%, that's 137/100ths. That's more than one whole. So we have 1.37. Because we have 37 hundredths, 1 and 37 hundredths. And then the last one, 100%, well, that one's really not hard to change to a decimal. In fact, some people might say that it is a decimal when we just simply write it like that. You might think that you need to write it as 1.0, but the 1.0 is the same as just simply writing a 1. So when you have 100%, you have the whole thing, one whole, and you're done.